Hello guys. Welcome to my channel Techno Guide. Guys, today I will show you how to sum in Excel or how we can add values in Excel sheet, so please watch this video till the end. I have this Excel sheet here on my taskbar. I'll open this. This is just an example of shop's cash memo or bill of my shop. So here is the list of products that I sold to a customer. You can see rice, wheat, sugar, biscuits and all the stuffs. Now in this column we have quantity of the products. Next we have is price per unit value of the products, like for rice. It is rupees 55 for per 1 kilogram of rice. Now to calculate price for each of this product, I'll open calculator. I'll go here and search calculator. Here we have. I'll open this and calculate each product's value. Okay, so for rice I'll do 55 into 10. Which give me 550. I'll enter it in price column. Then I'll calculate price of wheat. Similarly, I enter price of all the products. Let's do it manually. My maths is not that weak that I have to rely on calculator for simple calculations. Now for total amount, need to sum up price of all individual products. So I have two methods here. I'll show you both. The first method is to select AutoSum, and then I select range of cells in price column. I'll get this here, this here, and this here. Done. Now, you can see this sum formula along with range values, where K5 is the K is column location and 5 is row location. I'll close the bracket and press enter. There we go, we get the total amount of all products purchased. Fine, now discount is value 0. Now let's add one more product here. I am struggling with spelling here. I add quantity, rate and price, and I get the result value after adding the values of chocolates as 990. So, this was AutoSum method. Now, let's see other method where we need to type formula in the total amount box. So I delete this and again type sum with open bracket and type cell information range K5, colon, and select the last range of cell K14. Then I close bracket and press enter. There we go guys, this is how you can sum two cell values or range of values in Excel sheet. Hope you liked this video. If you do, give it a like. Share it with your friends, comment on it. If you have any queries, ask me on Twitter. Twitter page link is there in description, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks and goodbye guys.